General Knowledge Overview. The ParaPro assessment test evaluates the skills and knowledge necessary for paraprofessionals to assist effectively in the classroom. The General Knowledge section of the test assesses your understanding of basic concepts related to education and instructional support. This lesson focuses on helping you identify the relevant general knowledge areas you need to review for the test and gain a deeper understanding of educational and instructional topics. Identifying relevant general knowledge for the test. The General Knowledge section of the ParaPro assessment test is designed to measure your understanding of basic academic concepts. The questions in this section assess your general knowledge in areas such as education principles, classroom practices, student support, and critical thinking. It is essential to review the following key areas to be well prepared. Key areas of general knowledge. 1. Basic educational principles. This includes understanding the role of a paraprofessional in supporting student learning, implementing classroom management strategies, and assisting with teaching tasks. Example concepts. Understanding the role of assessments in the classroom, differentiating instruction to meet diverse learning needs. 2. Classroom management. Understanding the importance of maintaining a productive and positive classroom environment is crucial for paraprofessionals. Example concepts. Encouraging positive behavior, addressing behavioral challenges in a constructive manner. 3. Supporting special needs students. Paraprofessionals work closely with students who have a variety of learning needs. General knowledge of special education principles is helpful. Example concepts. Understanding individualized education programs, IEPs, assisting students with disabilities. 4. Critical thinking and problem solving. The ability to analyze situations, think critically, and make informed decisions is important in any educational environment. Example concepts. Using logic and reasoning to solve classroom issues. Making sound decisions based on data and observation. 5. Basic educational laws and ethics. Paraprofessionals should understand educational laws and ethical standards. Example concepts. Knowledge of laws related to student rights, safety, and privacy, like IDEA, FERPA. 6. General knowledge of core subjects. Understanding basic concepts in subjects like mathematics, reading, science, and social studies is necessary, as paraprofessionals may assist students in these areas. Example concepts. Basic math operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Key reading comprehension strategies. Quick tips. Review your educational textbooks, IEP documents, classroom management guides, and any foundational learning materials related to core subjects to refresh your knowledge for this section of the test. Understanding different educational and instructional topics. The ParaPro assessment test expects paraprofessionals to understand various educational and instructional topics, not just in theory, but also in practice. These topics will help paraprofessionals perform their roles effectively in the classroom. Core educational topics. 1. Teaching methods. Paraprofessionals may assist in implementing various teaching methods, including direct instruction, cooperative learning, and project-based learning. Example concepts. How to support a teacher during a lesson, assisting with group activities or one-on-one sessions. 2. Student engagement. Helping students stay engaged and motivated in the classroom is critical. Paraprofessionals need to understand strategies for keeping students focused. Example concepts. Using praise and rewards to encourage participation, modifying lessons to maintain students' interest. 3. Educational psychology. Understanding the psychological principles behind student learning can help paraprofessionals work effectively with students. Example concepts. How children learn at different developmental stages. Understanding various learning styles, visual, auditory, kinesthetic. 4. Assessment and evaluation. Paraprofessionals may help in administering tests, grading assignments, and providing feedback. Example concepts. Understanding formative and summative assessments, giving constructive feedback to students. 5. Diverse learners. Paraprofessionals support diverse students, including those from different cultural backgrounds, learning abilities, and language proficiencies. Example concepts. Strategies for English Language Learners, ELL. Cultural Competency in Education. General Knowledge Focus. In the General Knowledge section of the ParaPro assessment test, you'll encounter questions related to these educational topics. Understanding how these principles work in a classroom environment and applying them in practice will help you answer related questions accurately. Test-taking strategies. Here are some key strategies to help you succeed in the General Knowledge section of the ParaPro assessment test. 1. Read the question carefully. Pay close attention to the wording of each question. Look for keywords that indicate exactly what is being asked. 2. Eliminate obvious wrong answers. Many questions will include distractors, wrong answers that are clearly incorrect. Eliminating these can help you narrow down your options. 3. Manage your time. You have limited time for the test, so keep an eye on the clock. If a question is taking too long, move on and come back to it later if needed. 4. Stay calm and focused. It's important to stay calm and collected during the exam. If you don't know the answer right away, don't panic. Move through the test methodically. Conclusion and recap. In this lesson, we focused on identifying relevant general knowledge for the ParaPro assessment test and understanding different educational and instructional topics. We covered key concepts such as differentiated instruction, classroom management, and student engagement, which are essential for paraprofessionals. Mastering these topics will help you approach the general knowledge section of the test with confidence.